Fix Instagram story views not showing. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now the first step that you would be recommended to do is to check for updates of the Instagram application on your device. So let's go to the Play Store and check for updates. Now as you can see, it is updated to its latest version. So we're going to go back and tap on Instagram over here and make a long press, then tap on app info. After that, you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, then clear cache and OK. After that, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your profile. Then tap on your profile and then tap on the three lines at the top right. Just scroll down and you can see the option of help over here. Tap on it. Then tap on report a problem. Then just go back and check your phone and report a problem. Then you just need to explain what has happened or what's not working for you. So as you can see, the option and the issue with us is that Instagram story views are not showing. So you can just mention that problem over here in this explanation box, and you can also upload the screenshot of the problem and you can tap on send, and the team of Instagram will definitely contact you within 24 hours. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.